In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate age from date of birth in Excel. I'm also going to make it super simple. I am going to have the formula here in the comment or the description down below, so you can simply copy, paste, and edit to whatever you need it to be. Awesome. Now let's get straight into this. The first thing you need to know is that when you're putting the date in here, make sure that in the Home tab, it is selected as a date. You don't have it set as a general or a number, but make sure it's either a short or a long date so Excel knows it's a date. And with the age column, make sure this is set on either the general or number, otherwise you can get errors. Cool. With those two things out of the way, I'm going to go ahead and copy and then paste my formula straight into here. And the one thing I'm going to change, I'm going to up to the formula bar here. And I'm going to select on where it says A1. By default, I told it to go to the top left-hand corner. I'm just going to delete that. And I'm going to select on B3. Then I'm going to select at the end of that formula bar and press enter. And you see it's worked out the date. Now, the age. Now all I'm going to do is select on that age, grab the bottom right-hand corner and drag it down to all the other dates here. And Excel is going to flash fill. What you'll see if you didn't know about this is that, see here where it says B3, if I go down to the next one, it changes to B4, to B5, and so on and so forth. And it is that easy to calculate your age in Excel from the date of birth. Of course, if you like this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. If you want more Excel tips, make sure to hit subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.